Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the show. I am Nicole Kensa. I sell $5 jewelry and accessories. You're on my N&M Jewels page. Thank you for joining me. You can please share the video. Let your friends know about it. Get my page out there for others, whoever might like some $5 jewelry. We are actually going to start the show out with $1 Little Diva line. Bats for $1. So if you're jumping on and you like the Little Divas, or know anybody who might like some, get them on in here. I am watching my great nephew, so you might hear a little bit of fussiness here. Don't see how much we can get in before it gets too bad. Too bad. Oof, bless you, baby. Oh yeah? Hi, buddy. You gonna talk to me? Alright, so we're gonna start out with bat jewelry. They are fishhook backs. First bats are black, orange, and white. Black, orange, and white dangle bats. Then we have black, orange, and black little bats. Orange, black, and anywho, don't know what I'm talking about there. Next, it's 3 little black bats. Black bats. Here we have black, purple, and orange bats. Don't get fussy, buddy. Don't get fussy, buddy. No, 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 no. Don't be fussy. Don't be fussy, buddy. And then, last but not least, black, purple, and white bats. All right, so hi. Hi. Oh yeah? First up, this is a mid-length necklace. It has like a gray faceted bead, and then along the one side it has these pretty shimmery green, and then it comes down to a tassel. Very pretty, mid-length. If you're joining the show, say hello. This one is number 119. Number 119. If you are catching the replay or watching this video on YouTube, make sure that you put a detailed description in the comments or send me a message. Then I have that same necklace in red. Pretty red. It has that smoky faceted bead and those pretty, pretty red pearls down the side to the tassel. Red pearl earrings. Very pretty. Number 35. Number 35. If you want to know what I was talking about, it's a little baddie. Go back after the show and watch the beginning and you will see. This is a very gorgeous necklace. Beautiful hematite rhinestone earrings. This one does have a little bit of weight to it. Look at those gorgeous earrings. Of course, they never want to sit right when you're trying to do a show, you know. There we go. There we go. Gorgeous. 5 of those shimmery, shiny pendants. Now this one is almost always available. So it's one that if you want to get for like a wedding or a special event, it's almost always available. Isn't that gorgeous? Number 154. Number 154. Next up, this is an urban drawstring bracelet. It has different little threads. Then you have this gold piece with 2 wooden beads. Then you have a wooden bead on the gray, and then you have this gold bar. It's a drawstring. Oh, buddy. It's okay. Number 179. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Number 179 for this one. Number 179. Hi, buddy. Goodness. Hi. What are you doing? Next up, I do have 2 of these available, but I actually bought one for myself. But if 2 people want this, I will sell it hesitantly. Beautiful orange pearls. And then it's orange. And then it has the faceted iridescent beads. And then a clear white bead there. Oh, actually it's a ombre. Gorgeous orange. Oh. Anyways, I have 2 of these available. I did buy one for me, but somebody wants it. I will sell it. I have bat earrings. I'm a little batty. Number 51 for this one. Number 51 for this one. I know I'm batty. Oh, baby, baby, baby. No fussy. No fussy. No fussy. So anyway, we'll do the bats again. I showed them earlier. Number 201. And we have dangly bats. Black, white, and purple. Or I have black and orange. Hi, Miss Lisa. I have all black bats. Then I have black, purple, and orange bats. 201 and the color. And then I have black, orange, and white bats. 201 and the color for those bats. And once again, hello, Miss Val. I am watching my great nephew, so if you hear some fussing, that is why. I was asked to not put him on video, so I'm going to do my best to not do that. Don't be fussy. Don't be fussy, buddy. Of course, he would just wake up when I'm about to go live. You know, that's how it works. So, baby, hey. Don't do that. Alright, so this next one is a long necklace. It has standard tassel earrings, and then it comes down to two little keys. One is a little square key, and then one is like a standard door lock key. They're really made to look like actual keys. So you get two keys. This is, I would say, not a really long. It's like a mid-length necklace. I don't know if you can see that through the comments or not. So we got the key necklace. Number 135. Number 135. Oh boy. Is it a little fuzzy? Hey you, buddy. Hey you, buddy. Hey Tanya. Next up, I have two of these available. Where are you going, little guy? You gonna jump out of there? Two of these, leopard print. They're all leopard print. It's like a suede. Leather on the back. Two closure clasps. I have two of these available. Number 76. Number 76. Miss Tanya, your necklace is in. Buddy. So if you, it'll be at the shop tomorrow after 2 o'clock. Probably around 3. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Then I have two of these available. And then I'll have your couple other items there that you got too. I'll message you. This is a thin urban. It is a leather. It's like a stiff leather. It has 3 closure clasps. If you're joining the show, say hello. Don't forget to let your friends know about the video. Number 175 for this one. Number 175. I have 2 of those available. Hey you. Hey you. No fussy babies. No fussy babies. You were just talking to me. Now you get fussy. No be fussy, baby. No be fussy. Oh. Hey. Alright. Next up. It has black beads on the bottom, and then the horseshoe at the top is all rhinestones. Baby. Yeah, it's my great nephew, and I was asked not to put him on camera. These are a shorter earring. Hey you. Hey you. Number 153. No be crabby, buddy. No be crabby. These are a bigger earring. These have some weight to them. You can see all that hematite rhinestone in there. Oh, actually they're black, they're not hematite. These do have some weight to them. These are number 61. Number 61. Silver hoops. These are medium to large hoop. These are silver. Number 163. Number 163. These are a circle pair of earrings. They have rhinestones all the way around, and then they have the full two bigger rhinestones at the top on each side, and then 3 on the bottom, and that one single at the bottom. $105 for these ones. Number 105. Who wants to play some Family Feud? Name an animal that best describes your boss. Name an animal that best describes your boss. Next up, these are a heavier pair of earrings. They have an Aztec feel. That's a chili red crackle stone in there. It's like almost a burgundy. These do have some weight to them. Number 87. Number 87. A crab is not on the list. A crab is not on the list. This is a cute small pair of earrings. That's number 3. This is got a very pretty purple rhinestone. Dog is number 3. Very pretty purple rhinestone. Pig, not an answer. Number 17 for these ones. Number 17. A cow is not on the list. An ass. Well, that's kind of on the list. It's number 5, but it's a different word for that. Next up, I have a big, huge pair of silver hoops. Yeah, donkey is number 5. So we got the big pair of silver hoops. These are extra large. Number 97. Number 97. Oh. No, horse is not on the list. Next up, this is a medium pair of hoops. It has like a diamond cut on the outside and it's smooth in the middle. A horse is not on the list. Oh, I said that already. I'm sorry. Sidetracked. These hoops are number 125. Number 125. These are a very small pair of earrings, but they have the hematite stone. That gorgeous hematite. Chicken is not on the list. A bear is number 4. These are number 56. Number 56. I have 2 pairs of these. These are cute. They have a teardrop, and then they have the 3 white natural stone tassels. These are number 113. Number 113. Turkey is not on the list. How about I give you a hint? It's something slimy. Next up, this is a clasp bracelet. Has that pretty lime green, like a peridot. Has rhinestones at the top here. And the beads get smaller towards the back. There you go, Val. Snake. This is number 59. Number 59. Val got it with snake. Number 59 for this bracelet. Oh, now you're all happy? Now you're a happy boy? Now you're a happy boy? Does anybody want to see anything specific? There you go. Good job. Good job. Good job. That was a good burper. Yeah. I don't even remember what I did with that already. Alright, got it, Val. Sorry, sidetracked. Sweet baby, sidetracks. Alright. Next up, we have a seed bead bracelet. It is a stretch bracelet. It has gold, and then the black, then black bars, and that's the exact same thing on the other side. Stretch bracelet. Number 3 for this one. Number 3. This is a new stretch bracelet. This is a brass. It's called Textile Tango. Check that out. Isn't that cool? This is a stretch bracelet in brass. Look at that when you stretch it. Isn't that cool? Number 155 for this one. Number 155. What's up, buddy? All right. Look at this really cute pair of earrings. It has a cute little flower at the top. And it's got blue, pretty pale blue rhinestones. Aren't those cute? These are number one. Number one. Number one. Oh, don't be fussy, buddy. Don't get fussy. I almost called myself Grandma. I'm not Grandma. Next up, I have these oval hoops. They're called Dipalicious. As you can see, they are like they're dipped in a red. Hey, buddy. Don't cry. These are number 82. Number 82. Hey, buddy, don't cry. Don't cry. Anybody here like fringe? Anybody like fringe? I got a teal pair of earrings with that fantail. These have a little bit of weight to them. They're not a very big earring. Number 94. Number 94. Oh, yeah? What's going on, little guy? What's going on, little guy? Next up, I have a pair of acrylic marbled black and white, very geometrical hoops. These are number 101, number 111, excuse me, number 111. Who's ready for more Family Feud? Give me some love. I need some love. I need some love. Who wants some Family Feud? This is a fun pair of post earrings. Name something you wouldn't be able to do if your water was shut off. Name something you wouldn't be able to do if your water was shut off. So you got the hematite, red, and then a smoky rhinestone. This is a post back earring, number 112. Number 112. Shower, that is the number one answer. That one was a fast one. Way to go. Toilet is not on there, surprisingly. If you're joining the show, say hello. Next up is a heavy pair of hoop earrings. They do have some weight to them. They have that blue natural crackle stone all the way around. That's what gives them the weight. They're going to be close to the back of your ear. Oh boy. Maybe back out and come back in. Number 83 for these ones. Number 83. Number 83. And then the earrings I am wearing I have those in silver as well. They are a post back acrylic. Number 38. Number 38. Buddy, buddy, buddy. I have a few of these bangle bracelets available. These are a copper, and they have that white crackle stone for the center, and this does move. It's a bangle. I have a few of these. Number 69. Number 69. I have this bracelet available in green, black, and white. It is one long strand. This is mine, that's why it's open. You have one, it'll be either black, green, or white like mine, and then the two silver in the back. But then in the front, it has the white, it'll be green or black, and then the leaf with the wooden bead. This is number 8, just specify the color. The green is a very bright green. Number 8 for these. Number 8. This is a clasp bracelet in a shiny copper. It is shiny copper. You got the cutout heart, and then you got the insert all the way around. It's a pattern with the 2-inch extender. Number 116. Number 116. Next, this is a dark copper 2-inch extender. It's got like little pinwheels all the way around with a little black style spacer in between. This is a dark copper. Number 54. Number 54. Okay, Val. What's going on, buddy? What's going on, buddy? Who's ready for another Family Feud question? This is another clasp closure bracelet with the 2-inch extender. It is gray pearls. Got the gray pearls and then the 3 little dangly pearls. And that's the pattern all the way around. Pretty silver or gray. Number 184. Number 184. What's going on, buddy? What's going on, buddy? Alright, next up, I have this pretty filigree big band heart ring. Name something you eat that comes on a stick. Name something you eat that comes on a stick. This ring is number 109. Number 109. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, yeah? What do you got to say, huh? I hear you. Here's another bangle. This bangle is a gold bangle. It has two smaller ones that are like kind of like a braided, and then the bigger one has heart cutouts. 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of them. Popsicle is number 2, and hot dog, corn dog, is number 1. Valerie, you got it. This bangle is number 74. Number 74. Oh, hey, buddy. Number 74 for this bangle. Oh, you're okay. Next up, this is a little fudgesicle's not on there. Popsicle ice cream. This is a different kind of cuff. It's like you know what, like that Wonder Woman thing. See, it's got like that V. It comes down. It is a gunmetal in color. It's a smaller cuff. Number 5 for this one. Number 5. Hey, you. You. Hey, don't get fussy on me. Don't get fussy on me. No, no, no. Yeah, Nanny don't like fussy. No, no, buddy. Oh, buddy. Next up, this is a cat's eye ring. I have 2 of these available. The big brown cat's eye. Very pretty glass-like bead. This is number 66. Number 66. I have 2 of these available. Number 66. Next up, we have another bangle. This one has white, just white beads. They're not a stone. It's a solid. It's not gonna move. It's not gonna make smaller for your wrist. This one is number 80. Number 80. Pause. happy now, buddy? All right, moving along. It has 10 cents. Next up, this is a solid necklace. It has triangle earrings, and then it's this solid bar. It has like the triangles across the top. Hey, you. Don't be crabby, pal. Don't be crabby, pal. Number 136 for this one. Number 136. Number 136. No, I'm not in the baby selling business. I'd like to not be in jail. Next up, this is a clasp bracelet. It has the 2-inch extender, and it's hammered ovals all the way around. Silver. Number 60. Number 60. Me too. Ones that I can see. This is a bangle also. It's a closure bangle. This bangle has pretty red rhinestones in it, and then you can take it off by putting it through the heart. So you take it off, you can open it. Oh yeah? Number 61 for this one. Number 61 for this one. Next up, I have a double wrap. It's a brown double wrap. It has 3 clasp closures. The middle is glitter. Then you have the gold rivets and then the clear rhinestones. Number 130 for this one. Number 130. Number 130. Yeah. Someday. I got some fringe earrings. These are a white fringe. They are a post back. They got a hammered piece that's holding the fringe on. These are fun. Number 37. Number 37. Another question. Name a reason why people don't pay their taxes on April 15th. Name a reason people don't pay their taxes on April 15th. Because it's their birthday? I don't know. That's not an answer, but it's my daughter's birthday. Next up, I have a single suede wrap. It has 3 pieces. It is silver rhinestones, 2 closure clasps. Oh yeah, buddy? Number 99 for this one. Number 99. Well, thanks for sharing, Val. Appreciate it. These are some really pretty earrings. These are a smaller hoop earring. Well, a ring, I guess. They have hematite rhinestones here, the bigger hematite there, and then it's the same on the other side. Tanya, you got it. No money. No money. Number 151 for these ones. Number 151. Next up, this is a fun brass necklace. Actually, it's copper, I lied. Protesting the taxes. That is not one. This, to me, this is like a champagne-y color. That's what I call it. Then you got the thick brass chain. Then you got the brass and the champagne-y beads. It's a chunkier piece. Number 124. Number 124. No money was the first one, but you know, the last one on the list is a good one. It says stupid. Stupid, flat out. Stupid. You tired? This is a really pretty stretch bracelet. It's a cat's eye, or moonstone as a lot of people call it. It's a pink cat's eye with the silver alternating all the way around. Very pretty pink. Number 123 for this one. Number 123. You're okay, little dude. You're okay, little dude. Number 123. One more Family Feud question. A couple more pieces of jewelry and we're going to call it a night. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Seepy. You're seepy. If you could miraculously become the boss at work, what's the first thing you'd do? If you could miraculously become the boss at work, what's the first thing you'd do? All right, Miss Lisa. Next up is my magnetic bracelet. It clasps magnetically. It is spring-like. It's got silver and hematite coloring. Spring-like necklace, or bracelet, excuse me. Number 50 for this one. Number 50. You know, that's what my boss said. When he came in, he's like, I want to fire everybody. Fire your boss. Raises, Tanya. That's the one. That's number 1. Yeah, that's what I did it for, so I could get paid to watch this little baby. This little baby. So here you have the gray beads for the top, and then in the bottom you have the tassels. It has gray tassel bead earrings. Hey, buddy. It's just a boring class, actually. Boring watching videos, basically. This is number 173. Number 173. You'd be the boss. So, you want to fire yourself? You see Uncle Jesse over there? This is a pretty cool necklace. This one has like teardrop smooth earrings, and then it's not solid because this moves a little bit, but you have this cool little intricate piece, then this open piece, and then the middle with the tassels, and then repeat. Hey, buddy. This is number 198. Number 198. You're okay, dude. You're okay, dude. You're okay, dude. Number 198. I think one more piece and we're going to call it a night. Somebody needs more attention. So what do we got? What do we got that's cool? What do we got? What do we got? How about a couple rings? We'll do 2 at once. So we got the pretty green. These are both big back rings. One is that pretty green. Val, this would match that bracelet that you bought. And then we have the black with the rhinestones. So just say green or black to claim. Green or black to claim. Oh, buddy. Alright, guys. Thank you for hopping on. Thanks for playing. Being patient with me. Playing with the baby. Bye, guys. Appreciate you. See you next time.